Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. This is going to be a quick one. Don't buy gold, it's heavy. How's that? Look, with all the geopolitical risks, inflation doing what inflation does, and that's inflating for various reasons. Still waiting to understand Janet Yellen's definition of transient, but what are you going to do? Nobody expects much of her anymore. Never did. But the thing is, gold has been rocketing for a while, and it's been getting a lot of headlines lately. And I just want to mention this. When something like this happens, where everybody just watches and watches and watches, and then the headlines just explode. Hey, gold's going to $1 million, or it's the same thing with Bitcoin, for example, or any particular stock. When everybody is singing the same tune, the underlying is going to have a flat note. We'll put it that way. And that's what's happening with gold now. I think, I don't know whether ultimately it runs higher or not. Gold's always been a puzzle to me because it's not worth a damn. It's just heavy. It has no intrinsic value. And you could say, well, yes, it does because people value it. All right, well, so does Bitcoin. There, put that in your pipe and smoke it. It's all the same to me. But so I'm just looking at the chart and I see how this ran way up out of a nice breakout, 5 or 6%, and then fell back. And then we get another breakout here. And then this time it's moved up. If we look at this morning's intraday high, this is another 10%. So all in all, from this proper breakout, this went up almost 20%. Now, typically in Bill O'Neill's world, Bill would say that you can look for a stock once it has broken out in a proper breakout. You can look for it to rest about 20% higher, typically not more than that. And so as I look at gold here, this is really the perfect time for it to be settling out. You got everybody and his brother saying, buy gold, we're all going to die. And gold's already made this big move. So my sense is I would just want to stay away from this right now. Don't be messing around with it. Everybody's looking at it. But also know this, if the bombs start falling, all bets are off. And you'll forget what I said anyway. So there, I said it. See you guys on Monday.